we have ensured that no construction will be allowed. And hence, even though environmentally the laws are allowing it, the tourism department has taken a firm stand and put it in the agreement that no construction will be allowed in that particular island.
Lakot ikasnong nongi kwayo sngo bahan ikasnong de lakot kalayat dikila pen sngo hinasnong iki mat jongki ki if they keep apprehensions jongki ruki don hi convey bet yaki ka stand jong ka tourism department manginam don ka construction
te kumalong menta kani ka project kum kilai perkhat kum kilai plan kade ki ka ban penmi ki kam ki jam jong ki breu jong hi ki bon bha ki jing bha ki bala banwan kane kawai ka project ki don mentang ne pb ru kayat bet ka tulun bet ka kam ki bon ki local pila ban pet yang to kan ungut ki ba yo kam to bon ki local hi.
Government has made it clear in the agreement that no structure is going to be allowed in the island.
Kanu ka commercial unit ka bawan hang ni ha kajalla kadon kata kendon ka 90% of non-managerial posts kan led shaki locals, 50% managerial posts ru kan led shaki local. Other than that, kashulang tang kata let us work together and let us promote our state for good things to come in the future for our youths and all other categories.
Nomor ba ka ka bapi amnod ngiru hang ni Shua ban take up yung ganun project. Hindi ban suto bakla. Habang yung warra yung investment. Habang yung warra yung bakum kinigi project. Nget yung nga OP kabakado ka jing mantoy. Kanlong yung ngiki konsam nga.
So I hope with this small clarification that the concerns of the citizens will be addressed. Thank you very much.
KSU Southwest Border Circle lepas nyau kaya wajor iwa kala rong biang gawa Prang kau hagatain ilaka narpok ke East Jaiñtia Hills District iwa dia hakini ki kajak sengi wai ini to iwa jo jia manipor kamtam manupoi por slam dasubale wai ini to iu manai pelaj jaklia chakani gawa iwa wan ra yai ma wajor ya gido wai gubon jo yap ki manakala rong sendet kani gawa ini dekta ila cha ikhya ki ba le ba bon ki bru pan MKM yang kani ko wai go bam le ya ki dekha ki wana kani wa ka KSU Southwest Border Circle le dwa jor kani ki bor to opai jai ni kamtam na ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board opaman yai tikit ajrong ini wajia majagam ni yo cham tre yai daw wai open system le ya ki MKT le da chem ki le dwa le bau khang la de po jaklia chakani ko wa wai open man ka kamaman do na chwa ko khoi wa changan